Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the contiguous rows or columns you want grouped. Focus on the data block, not the header. Once selected, go to the Data menu and choose Group Rows or Group Columns to create the initial outline. You do this now so the sheet gains collapsible controls at the left or top. Make sure to keep selection precise, since grouping includes everything in the range. If needed, undo and refine the selection before proceeding to nested groups. Once the first group is in place, select a subrange to make nested groups inside the parent. This reduces visible clutter and lets you collapse at multiple levels. Use the small outline buttons to test collapsing, and if you need to modify a range, use Data Ungroup and then regroup the corrected area. Make sure to protect or freeze header rows so you don't group them. This preserves context when collapsing and avoids breaking formulas that reference those header cells. Finish by testing the outline controls. Collapse and expand each group to verify rows hide and reappear as expected. If a formula fails or data disappears, ungroup the affected range, inspect references, then regroup with corrected boundaries. Make sure filters are cleared and the sheet view is refreshed if grouping controls don't show. Sometimes frozen panes or hidden rows hide the outline. If problems persist, undo back several steps and recreate the group more narrowly to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.